Bro, chat, stop, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, dead shot, like, and then he put a whole 36 round firework in my room. You know what I'm saying? So, it's honestly like, jail time, you get banned. Wait, what Ray say? Hold on, what Ray say? What Ray say in my chat? Hold on. Watch what's gonna happen to your room right now. Bro, you're not doing shit. Suck my dick. And since you said that, I'm gonna slide right now. I'm gonna do none of that games. I'm gonna slide right now. Yo, Michael, go IRL. Bro, go IRL. Right. Go IRL, my nigga. Go IRL. Berkeley, you better not be too. Just slide right now, bro. The fuck you talking to? Suck. You like this too? How many shots is this shit?
You sure you want to do the running back?
500 rounds. 500 rounds. Well, low key. We should hide the fireworks. We're gonna top take it. Oh God.
Yeah, put them in the closet.
Huh?
Put them in the closet.
We should hide the fireworks, right? Cause you're gonna try to take it, right?
Yes. Put it up right quick.
Huh? Alright, stay in here, but go all the way back there, okay? No, leave out this way. But get this shot. You stay in here though. First firework. Hold up. Where the other one at? I like this. I'm like this. This bitch now, nigga. Talk about. Come on, play with me. Let's go again. Come on, get it more. Come on. Can't think we done. We not done. I'll never be able to sleep there again. We never been done. We gotta see if it's a fire or not. Come on, hurry up. Oh, there's no fire? Look at that shit. Oh my God. Come on, we can't breathe this. We can't breathe this. We can't breathe this. And this one more for just a headshot. I'm gonna do a little one, bro, just cause. I can't even me. I just love the noise. Like, I just love the explosion. I just love like. It's like I feel like I'm Trump. Like, I'm doing. Like this is really like. It's like Iran. It's like Taiwan versus America. Word. It's like Taiwan versus America, bro. I'm gonna show you what the fuck America do. And I swear to God, I swear to God, I dare Ray to come over here and try to do some shit. I started and I finished it. Who in there? Yo, anybody in there? Oh, that shit close as fuck. For sure. What the fuck is you doing?
It's smoke. They can't see shit.
Huh? Nah, I'm not done. No. Bro, hold on, bro. I'm not done yet, mud. Kai said what? The cops are on the way. Kai said, hold on. He said the cops got alerted in the neighborhood. Who got hide all the evidence, bro?
Lady looking at us.
Who? What lady? Where?
Over there. She's looking dead at us. She probably caught the
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Like this shit one more time? Yes. This nigga played with my top, bro.
Nigga.
Last one.
Nigga, if I text you that, we gotta chill out.
Last one, bro. Nigga, imagine nigga just coming here and in your
I know
in your
how that
mid.
feels. You me. So I know, but like you gotta you got to give back, nigga.
Nah, that's not
You
enough.
lighted one of those. You lighted one of those. That's good.
Nah. What the chat saying? What the chat saying? Fake demon?
Don't listen to your chat. They instigated.
That's not the cops. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, should I do one more or no?
Your chat is a bad influence, bro. What the fuck?
Oh my God, my prime chain. Yo, what the?
Hello? What's up?
Yeah, you gotta turn it off and kind of like.
Chad, look, it's fog.
I'm live streaming right now, so I'm not close.
I'm call Ray real quick.
No, you good. You good.
I'm call Ray real quick.
Yeah, just turn it off and then like slap the battery.
I'm call Ray real quick.
And then turn it off.
Yo, it's not on it anymore.
Huh?
Wait, you finna go again, bro. Think what YB did. Think what YB would do. YB would do it so much that a nigga would never fuck with you. Okay, I did what he did, but that's not gonna teach you. Don't fuck with me, gang. Word. Me doing the same thing he did is like, okay. If I do it bigger and better, nigga gonna really know not to fuck with me. I'm here to prove a point. Cause you, I guess I'm you. You talking about? One more. Yes. Come on.
The Kai actually text you that?
Kai said the cops are on the way, but if we hurry up, come on, hurry up. Come on, go.
You gotta chill out.
Come on, hurry up. It's on IRL.
Why you keep muting?
Huh? Wait, hold on. Let's stay right there. Stay right there. Dead ass, okay? I know. All right, come on. Come on. Yo! What? Timmy Turner. Timmy Beecher. Guess I'm a Talk about. Last one for all the marbles. Spin a last one. Not gonna be able to sleep in here for at least 2 weeks. Did you talk about? And Ray, I hope you watch it. Don't play with me no more. Think I'm gonna let you just zoom in my head? Yo, is anybody in here? Yo, is anybody in here? Firework finna launch. Is anybody in here? I got Herbert do this shit, bro. I can't breathe.
Don't do it right here. You gotta walk in there.
Oh shit, you scared the f out of me. Here, hold this. Hold this. Oh my god, chill.
I can't hear anything.
I can't
hear anything.
Bro, come on. You good? You don't got shit no more. No, good, bro. You're good, bro. It's just your ear ringing, bro.
Oh my fucking god.
I know, just don't got shit no more. Don't got shit no more. Chill. Oh my god. That shit dead flew right near you, bro. Are you good, bro?
I can't hear anything, bro.
Huh? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on.
That shit exploded right in front of me.
No fires? Good? Sure, bro. How the fuck we doing, nigga? Fuck you talking about? I in the chat, so man, L suck my cry about it, bitch. I'm going. Talking about? I don't care. Spam. I bet you let niggas shoot you with a paintball gun, and it's still talking after. Like what? And then the whole room up. Last stream, I was trying to make peace. The cops dead coming, bro.